Aulia.
My name is Satya Alvina Lutfi.
My name is Naftali Amira Zahra.
Enjoy for watching. Bye.
Hey, check out this new jacket. What do you think?
The jacket looks cool. The blue color is really eye-catching. But I think it's a bit too bright for me. I prefer natural colors.
I agree with Sakti. Color like black or gray or anything to match with anything.
Oh, I like the bright color like this. That's why it makes the jacket unique for me.
I like the material of the jacket too. It's not too thick, but still keep you warm. Yeah, I noticed that too. It's the preferred material for moderate winter, not too hot or too cool.
I agree, but I prefer jacket with a thicker material, especially for cold weather.
Interesting. So you guys prefer a hero jacket?
Yeah, I feel more comfortable with something a bit heavier. It gives me a sense of security. Now, take a look at my new uniform. What do you think of it? The design is very elegant and the large screen look really good.
I think it's bit too big for me. I prefer pants that are more compact.
But with a large size, the screen is more comfortable for watching videos or playing games.
That's true. I also like fun with big screen. It feels more detailed to use every day. I personally prefer lighted ones, so they're easier to carry around.
Right, because can sometimes make your hands feel tired. But how is the performance?
The performance of this one is amazing. The processor is super fast and multitasking is smooth.
That's what I like the most. A high-performing phone is really helpful for daily activities.
Well, if the performance is good, I guess even with the large size, it's worth trying, right?
Maybe, but I still prefer a smaller, more compact one.
Oh, what about my shoes? What's your opinion? The shoes look comfortable, but I think the color is a bit too bright for me.
I actually like this bright color. It's look energetic and fun.
I prefer chocolate color, something like black or brown inside to match with.
I like bright color because they can bring some energy to everyday life. The shoes look stylish and the design is simple and easy.
The design is nice, but I think the sole is too thin for road terrain.
I also tend to prefer soft with thicker sole for comfort.
The sole might be a problem, but I find the shoes comfortable for everyday activity. If you find them comfortable, then that's the most important thing, right?
I agree. So I think these shoes are good for you.
Hey, look at my nail backpack. What do you think?
It's so cute. Is it big enough for your books? It looks small but nice. Can it hold everything you need?
I like how it looks. The strap look comfy too.
Yes, it's small, but it fits my notebook, pencil case, and water bottle. It's perfect for me.
That's great. I always carry a lot of stuff. Does it have extra pocket? It looks like it has one pocket. Does it have space for the phone?
It's nice that it's not too big. I like backpacks that are easy to carry.
It has one big pocket and a small one for my phone. It's really nice.
It looks really comfortable. I like the color. Yeah, it's simple but cool. I like the design.
I think I want one like that. It looks so easy to carry around.
Thanks. It's perfect for when I don't need to carry too much.
I like that one too. It's good for work days when I don't have a lot to carry. It looks perfect for school and going out. I might try one. Thank you for